So we have to, our teachers are vital, not only to education, but to national development. And so we have to, try and do whatever we can to make it better for them.
Yeah, because when you look on it, I used to attend Radington Town Primary School, then go to Kingston College.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, teachers play so much roles.
Oh, God.
Like, I know teachers were send students to school, like, and them pay for them lunch every single day. So the fact that them, if you come out and feed them pay for help kids, and then now them not have money for feed them own kids at home, it just doesn't.
It doesn't work, and as you've said, well, first of all, in a society like ours, education is really the route by which most Jamaicans achieve come out of intergenerational poverty. Mm-hmm. So if a child from a relatively modest home, where there's not much money around and things are hard, if that child can go through the school system and go to university and get a good job and be, they can help their family come out of that. So it's a very critical route to social mobility. And our teachers play a vital role in that as mentors in the classroom, especially given that the family structures are often very weak nowadays, because you have a lot of single parent families and not just that, but teenage pregnancies and that kind of thing. So if you look in communities and you see how the children, what they see and what they hear, it's not, a lot of it is not wholesome. So the teachers have to play a role in addressing that as well in the schools. And so we have to, our teachers are vital, not only to education, but to national development.